Materialists is a romantic comedy drama directed by Celine Song, starring Dakota Johnson, Chris Evans, and Pedro Pascal. The film explores modern romance through the lens of matchmaking, wealth, and personal value, offering a sharp critique of dating in a capitalist society. The story follows Lucy Johnson, a matchmaker for high-end clients, who find herself caught between two men, Harry Pascal, a wealthy and seemingly perfect suitor, and John Evans, her struggling actor ex-boyfriend. The film cleverly examines the transactional nature of relationships, questioning whether love can truly exist without financial stability. Critics have praised the film's ambition and thought-provoking themes, though some note that the chemistry between Johnson and Pascal feels lacking. Johnson's performance, however, has been widely appreciated, with many calling her perfectly cast for the role. The film's dialogue, at times, feels theatrical, reflecting Song's background as a playwright. Overall, Materialists has been described as an anti-romantic comedy that challenges traditional notions of love and relationships, making it a standout in the genre. If you enjoy films that blend humor with social commentary, this one might be worth watching.